Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UNFI. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I'm not sure I've ever done this analysis before, but nonetheless, definitely worthy of a video here as the price made a big old move. And not only did the price make a big move, you look down here at volume, and definitely biggest volume that this chart has seen for a while, and certainly well above average volume. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance as the week continues on. Still 2 days left. So the first level of support that stands out is just nothing complicated behind it other than it being based on a foundational rule and chart in which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into today, that level right there at 1365 was an area of resistance, but as the price very clearly has broken above it and closed above it, 1365 would now be that ideal level of support. I say ideal because it's not like if the price falls below it that the entire chart is ruined or anything. Now, would the chart certainly look strongest if the price could hold above there? Yeah, absolutely. Let me change the proportions there. There we go. That would be great, but I'm not going to call that a must-hold level. Now, more so a level that I would call a must-hold, and by no means am I saying the price is headed back down here, but that would be the 1175 mark. Why is 1175 important? Well, let's just stop and think about if the price were to go down to that level and then break down below it and then continue on down. What would you have in this set of circumstances? What you would have is, well, now the price is right back at these lows where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but nice movements, which today was a nice movement. If it is truly nice, if it does have genuine power, well, the price isn't going to go back to where it was, right? That's just kind of common sense. Of course the price isn't going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Whereas let's say the price does something like this. I'm not saying it will, but just kind of illustrate the point. Let's say it does go down to that area. However, in this situation, behaves like that before working its way back upwards. What would you at least have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, yeah, big picture wise, at least there'd still be stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. Truly strong moves with genuine bullish power are going to drift upwards. Or in other words, they're going to make progress. They're going to trend in the upwards direction. So that's why, in my opinion, at least 1175 is a very important level. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, at this point, it's all about the very famous 50-day simple moving average, which on my chart is denoted by that purple line there. So keep an eye on that level, and there's a lot of people that watch that level. So call it a self-fulfilling prophecy. Call it whatever you want. But it's not it's not shocking at all to see the price struggle if it does get up around the 50-day. But we'll see what happens with it. Anyway, you look at it though, very powerful move today. We'll see how this one continues to play out on the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.